The wig that I'm wearing is from Arabella Hair. All their information is below. With the pack, they sent a wig cap, an edge brush, some lashes, a wig band, and a hair clip. So this is what the wig looks like. It is a curly pink highlight wig. It's a 13 by 4 transparent lace. I think they said the texture is Jerry curly, but this is more like a water wave texture. Please excuse the bleach stains on the inside, but it comes with an elastic band, your normal clips at the back and on the sides. And yeah, this is what the wig looks like. It's a super thick and full, and I really like the texture, so let's go ahead and get into the video. I always start off with my wig cap already on. I'm going in with my cream makeup just to cover up the wig cap. Even though it's a transparent lace wig cap, I always like to put on this color just so it can match my skin tone better. And then after I'm done with this, I'm going to go through with my lace tint. I got this from the beauty supply store. I'll try to find some lace tint like maybe below and link it below from Amazon, but you can just go to your local beauty supply store and I'm sure they will have it. So I'm just spraying this all over the lace, getting it darker. I like using this better than makeup, to be honest. And now I'm just sliding the wig on my head, and I'm going to cut off the ear tabs and adjust the wig to make sure it fits snug and secure on my head. Now I'm going in with my handy dandy glue from Wig Dealer. I'll try to link their information below too. I heard their stuff is really good. I like this wig glue. It's actually my favorite. I'm just applying a thin line across my hairline. Honestly, I think wearing all these wigs has changed my hairline a little bit because I used to have a lot more hair on the sides, like where you can see the little bit of my hair that came down. It used to be a little bit thicker than that, and now it's thinner. It's probably from all this glue, but you know, it is what it is. I wear wigs like a lot, so it probably thinned out my sides, but yeah, there's that. So anyways, I'm smearing the glue into like a thin layer and I'm gonna blow dry it, and I wound up doing 2 layers total. So after I applied the glue, I pulled the wig forward, but I didn't press it in yet. I'm making this part in the front because I can tell I'm gonna have to cut this off just because of how my hairline is. And I'm gonna like blend and like melt the lace behind this hairline. Y'all, can I tell you about how much I really like this lace, by the way? Can I just rave about how much I like Arabella's lace? Like, this lace was so easy to work with. Like, I have struggled with some laces before and I don't know what it is. I think it's like the material of this particular lace. Like, it's like a softer lace material. Some other laces are kind of hard, but this one is softer and it makes it a lot easier to work with, especially like for someone from like me. I'm not a professional at all, but I was really easily able to like blend the lace. And also the hairline was plucked really well. Like, I did pluck it myself, but I didn't have to pluck a lot, if that makes sense. It was already plucked pretty well. So because the hairline was plucked really well already and the lace is good, that made this install super easy. And I feel like that's really what made it come out like 10 times better. Now I'm just going to take my Wonder Lace bond and put it behind my hairline. Well, technically right in front of the hairline because I'm going to cut that little piece off. But I feel like using this in conjunction with the glue just makes my install last that much longer, in my opinion. I don't know. And it helps blend everything a lot better for me, especially like on the sides where my edges are and my sideburns. I don't put glue there, so I like to put this spray to help that stick down. And after letting this sit, it's going to be time for me to cut off this lace. And when I say this is one of the most pleasant experiences that I have had with cutting lace ever, it definitely is. Even with having to cut off a chunk of hair, like, it was so simple and easy. I don't know what it is. Whatever material that y'all are using for this lace, Arabella, keep it up, because this material is it. Like, this material is on point. This is the one right here. It just, I don't know, it was just so easy to work with. I've struggled with lace. Y'all know I struggle with lace and cutting lace. I always complain about how hard it is for me to cut lace, but this one, I don't know what it is. It was just so simple, easy, and I'm happy. Okay, and now it's time for my edges. I already parted my sideburns, so now I'm going to go ahead and part my hair. I decided to do a middle part, just wanted to keep it simple and not do anything too crazy. And now I just wanted to do two edges, one on each side. I like doing that with curly hair. That's like my new go-to edge style, honestly. Nothing too crazy, just a little swoop on the sides to cover my natural hair that comes out further than the lace, and then that's it. So another thing that I liked about this wig is that it was kind of already flat, meaning like at the top it wasn't like too lumpy. You know how some wigs come lumpy at the top and you really have to get it flat. I didn't have to do that too much. I just took my wax stick a little bit to the front of my hairline and just to the top, and I was able to get it super flat with just like a couple passes of my hot comb. Lastly, I'm going through with that was my Cream of Nature curling cream, and I also sprayed the hair with water just to define the curls. But something that was a little weird is when I sprayed the water on the hair, it got kind of straight, so I had to scrunch it up to make it wavy. Like as you can see right here, when I sprayed it with water and brushed the comb through it, it got straight. I thought that was weird. I'm like, why is it getting straight? But if you scrunch it, it scrunches right back up to the waves. But yeah. So this is the final look. Everything came out really nice and seamless. This lace, like I said, was the start of the show. Like, look at that hairline. It's so amazing. If you're really bad with lace, honestly, this will probably be a really good wig for you. I didn't have any issues with shedding with the hair. But I did tell you about how the hair got a little straight when trying to wet it. But again, you will have to just scrunch it a little bit. I would also recommend getting like a curl definer just to hold the little waves. But besides that, this color is popping. I didn't think I was gonna like pink highlights or purple highlights in a wig, but this is actually giving. It's so different. And it looks really, really cute, like in person too. I think in person it looks more purplish than pink, but I just wore a pink shirt. I don't know. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. That's it. Adios till next time.